Hi everyone, tonight for supper I'm going to be making slow cooker cheesy onion fries. It's only 4 ingredients, but I'm going to make it a loaded cheesy onion fries, so it'll actually be 6 ingredients when I'm done with it. What all goes into the 4 ingredient slow cooker cheesy onion fries? 1 bag frozen crinkle cut French fries, 28 to 32 ounces. This is 32 ounces. 1 10.5 ounce can of condensed cream of onion soup. I've never heard of it before. 1 cup shredded sharp cheddar cheese. I'm using Colby Jack and it's divided. 1 ounce packet of dry onion soup mix. If you don't want a strong onion taste, then only use half of 1 packet. And like I said, I'm going to make mine loaded fries. To all of this, I'm going to add, after it's cooked, I'm going to add crispy bacon bits, sliced green onions. You can change your cheese like I did, Mexican blend, Colby Jack, or pepper jack. If you want different flavorings, you can add 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder or smoked paprika and add it to the onion soup mixture before pouring over the fries. If you like a little bit of heat, you can sprinkle a pinch of red pepper flakes or serve with jalapeno slices on the side. So let's begin. Take your slow cooker, lightly spray with non-stick cooking spray. You can use a slow cooker liner, just make sure that the French fries don't burn along the edges of the liner. Take your crinkle cut fries, dump them in the bottom of your slow cooker, and then just kind of spread them out, kind of hard when they're stuck together. That way they'll get covered a little more evenly. Take a medium bowl. If you want a big onion flavor, use the whole packet of your onion soup mix. I'm only going to use half because I don't know how strong the cream of onion soup is. And dump that in the bowl. And then dump in your cream of onion soup. Cream of onion soup. Who'd have thunk? You know, I knew they had French onion soup, but I didn't know they had cream of onion soup. Put that in the bowl as well, and then whisk that together. Then take your onion mixture and put it over the French fries. And then the best you can, spread that out so it covers most of the French fries. It will, as it cooks, it will go down to the rest of the French fries. The onion soup mixture will be thick, as you saw it was. Take 3/4 cup of cheese and sprinkle it over the French fries. Then put your lid on. Then you can cook it on high for 2 to 3 hours or low for 4 to 5 hours. Cook them until the fries are tender when pierced with a fork and the edges are starting to get a little golden and crispy around the sides. So when they are tender, if you have warm on your slow cooker, turn it to warm. And then put your last 1/4 cup of cheese on top. And we'll just cook it like that for 15 minutes. We're going to just put the lid part way on. So when you go to dish it out, dig clear down to the bottom so you can get all of the goodness. And like I said, we're going to make this a loaded potato. So we'll put some green onions on it and some bacon bits. So here is the slow cooker 4 ingredient cheesy oniony French fries made into loaded French fries, and rounding out the meal is sloppy joe with pepper jack cheese. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This looks different. Is this my test?
It is.
It's pretty good.
That is slow cooker, 4-ingredient, cheesy onion fries, but I made them into loaded fries, so there's actually 6 ingredients.
These were done in a slow cooker?
Yes.
That's different.
Yes.
Turned out really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.